Welcome to Investigael. Are you ready to Investigael with me? Because today we're investigating the world of painting as a beginner. I don't have any experience, but I'm so curious how to do it. Today, I want that dream to come true. I stumbled across this awesome website called Paint Away Events. It's like treasure trove for anyone looking to try painting in the UK. They host all sorts of creative workshops in cool venues across places like Manchester, Liverpool, Cheshire, and Wales. The best part? You can browse their events, pick a date that works for you, and just show up ready to have fun. I chose a Bob Ross Little Trees themed event for just £32.99. Stay tuned as I dive into this colorful adventure and share the fun with you. So I am at Drago Lounge where my Bob Ross Little Trees painting event is happening. And oh my gosh, this place is absolutely stunning. This restaurant is like an art gallery come to life. Every wall is bursting with vibrant, creative paintings that just scream inspiration. The ambience here is so cozy and inviting with these gorgeous lanterns hanging from the ceiling, casting the most magical, warm glow. This is the perfect spot to unleash my inner artist, and I can't wait to dive into the painting fun. But before that, I'm starving. I want to order something delicious to fuel my creativity. I ordered piña colada. Piña means pineapple. It's actually a Filipino word for pineapple. It's non-alcoholic cocktail, and yeah, I'm so excited to try it. Nice. So refreshing. I'm getting excited to doing the painting activity, and let's see if I'll make mess or maybe I'll be the next Bob Ross. So I ordered a feast of tapas, prawns, pepper squid, quesadillas, chicken and beef skewers with grilled bell peppers and onions, plus fries and pita on the side. It all looks incredible. I wanted to talk while eating, but the background here is pretty lively and noisy, so I'm just going to enjoy this quietly. But everything so far is so good, tasty and delicious. The calamari? It's my favorite. It's absolutely perfect. I'm loving every bite. I hope this food is gonna fuel my creativity and help me paint better. This is the moment. My heart is racing. I'm quietly nervous. As a total beginner, stepping into this creative space feels like a big leap. I'm about to pick up a brush and create my own masterpiece. I'm kind of scared.
Oh, don't be honest.
It's just a happy little accident. Bad rest. I'm quite scared. If I made mistake, that's part of the process. I'm supposed to start painting the background with purple, but my hands are shaking. I'm like, nope, I don't want to mess this up. Can you give me some courage, please? I don't know. I thought painting is so easy, but no, it's not. It's not. Kind of scared. Oh, look at what they're doing. Meanwhile, mine is so garbage. Oh no, no! It's just a little accident. I don't know what I'm doing. Looks garbage. I kept sneaking peeks at everyone else painting, comparing my work like, wow, theirs looks so good. My canvas feels like it's judging me, but I'm telling myself to chill out and trust my own vibe. Gotta focus and make these colors pop my way. It looks garbage.
No, it doesn't. Honestly, you can layer. If it's because you want it to be blendable.
Yeah. It doesn't blend. It's like,
So is it dry so fast?
Yeah.
You've got to keep it wet. So basically, this colour here, if you make more of it and just put it on top of that.
should I change from this one or?
Oh no, just if you give it a rinse and then wipe it thoroughly in your napkin, just grab a big blob of yellow and try and make more of that orange. Yeah, just keep a layer in it.
Like this?
Yeah, don't be afraid of putting too much on, honestly, because if you keep, as you can see, it's blending already. That's quite nice because it looks a bit like, because this is so dark, it looks a bit like that's a stormy day, but there's like the sun peeking through.
Yeah, it's like, I don't understand it now.
Yeah, because it's meant to be all blue together, so that's actually good. And if you just want more of this colour, just get more of it and pop it on there.
You mean the orange one?
Yeah. So just get more. Like, just don't be afraid of the picture. You can literally just keep layering on top of it. If you're like, oh, I don't like that, just go back in and just chuck another colour on top.
Oops, I'm slowly getting there. I know it's not perfect, but I can't wait to see this masterpiece come together.
And like a grey that I've made.
Grey.
So to make that, instead of just mixing black with the white, I've made mixed blue, so it's mainly blue.
Okay. Just mainly blue?
Mainly blue, then a touch of red,
Okay.
and then a teeny bit of black, and then just mix
Where's
that
the
with-
black one? Is it
like-
black?
Yeah. It's kind of close to that purple colour you've made there already. It's just to stop it from being just black, so then when you use black later, it'll have more contrast and power.
Moving on to the mountains, this part is no joke. The instructor is making it look so easy, but my lines keep wobbling like they've got a mind of their own. But I'm not giving up. I want those mountains to stand tall and proud in my painting. So I'm gonna keep at it, one shaky stroke at a time. Just like that, looking like a wiggly worm. It doesn't look good at all. My mountains are so tall. I'm not proud of myself. Still, I'm pushing through, layering on paint and pretending I know what I'm doing. Slowly but surely, these peaks are shaping up. Stick around to see if I can nail this rocky texture and figure out where the heck that light's coming from. Struggle is real. Can I have more yellow paint? Yes, please, thank you.
It's like the sun's coming from this side, so it would lighten along here as well.
The thing is, it's so dark here. I didn't think about it. I thought painting is fun. But I'm getting sad at this point. I'm getting really worried about my painting because look at this. They don't look like mountains. They look like mud pile. But I'm covering it with some trees and grass to move on. I just need to trust the process. I'm changing the camera angle so you would be able to see what I'm doing. For the bushes and grass, I'm grabbing a little bit of dark green and some lighter green and I'm just kinda smashing it onto the canvas. No real plan. Just letting it happen. It's messy, but it's supposed to be, right? Honestly, it's kinda cool how just smashing the brush like this makes it look like little bushes and grass. I'm definitely still figuring this out, but it's starting to feel a little more natural. I did the same thing with the pine trees. I just smashed some dark green on a canvas, poke it around a bit, and somehow trees happened. I have no idea how, but it kind of works. It's a beginner magic, I guess. After I finished smashing all the green for my bushes and trees, I thought, you know what? It's looking a little flat. So I grabbed some yellow and a little bit of orange just to see what would happen. I started lightly tapping it onto the pine leaves and bushes, not too much, just little touches here and there, and honestly, it made such a big difference. It made everything look way more alive, like the trees were catching some sunlight, or maybe it's early fall. It brought this whole new feeling into the painting that I didn't expect. It's funny, because at first I was so nervous about adding new colors, but sometimes, just adding a little change makes the whole thing come to life. I'm really glad I tried it. Makes me feel like I actually kinda know what I'm doing, even though I'm totally just making it up as I go. It's so dark in the restaurant that it's so hard to see the changes I made. But so far, I'm happy with my progress. I'm working with the river now, and honestly, this is the hardest part for me. I've been trying to make the reflection of the mountains and bushes, but I definitely failed at that. I'm just adding some white strokes, hoping to create a little reflection, but it's not really coming together the way I imagined. The mountains, not so much reflected. The bushes, they just look like random blobs. But hey, it's my first time. It's not perfect, and that's okay. I'm just rolling with it. Sometimes it doesn't turn out how you expect, but I'm still pretty proud of how it's looking overall. And I'm stunned with what I've done. I thought I wouldn't make it in the end. I came into this thinking I was going to completely mess it up. I mean, it's my first time painting. I didn't even know where to start. But looking at this now, I can actually see the mountains, the bushes, and even the river I tried to create. Yep, the reflections didn't come out perfect, and I still have a lot to learn. But I've learned so much in just one session. I can't believe how much I have accomplished today. It might not be gallery ready, but it's something I put my effort into, and it really feels good. I'm proud of what I've done today, not because it's perfect, but because I did it. This was such a fun adventure. From black canvas to a mountain scene, tasty food, and an awesome restaurant vibe, this painting class was a blast. So if you want to investigate your inner artist, give one of these classes a try. That's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching the process. If you're into art or just want to see more of my beginner attempts, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll be sharing more, and who knows, maybe I'll get better with time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.